Yo. Just a bit late there on the stream, my bad. Turn the music down a bit. Financial juice on, yes it is. Have you got any news today? Have a look in the Discord. If there's any news. No, we're clear for today. Gonna be clean, well, just clear price action. No news, interventions or anything like that. Let me just have a look at what's happening with Quantecal because of all this payout stuff. The Quantecals traders chat is still in a bit of chaos. Yeah, why am I not surprised that they're still in a bit of chaos with all the payouts and stuff and the issues they're having right now? Oh god. Ooh. What happened? Did that just cut the stream? Hello? Hello? What? That's weird. So it says my OBS is not working, but it is. One second, David. The computer's freaking out. Wait. I think we're gonna go long because we're in that 4-hour invalid zone. I don't know. Guys, one sec, my OBS is being weird. OBS is a streaming software. Wait. Why is it not closing? There you go. It says you can resume interrupted stream. How's that worked? Is the stream still going? Or has that had a meltdown? Guys, hello? Trying to figure out what's going on. Hello? Okay, the stream's working again. Okay, can you guys hear me, yeah? Working, Bash, perfect. It was freaking out. This is why I need that new computer. This computer's starting to have a few weird like bugs and stuff like that. Just turn the iPad on really quick and then we can have a look at Euro because you're talking about Euro. Just give me 1 minute and then we'll have a look at Euro because I'm thinking longs for Euro, bro. I'm thinking Euro is clear longs. Because if we look here, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we've got like an ultimate high in it, yeah, or extreme high, or whatever you want to call it. And we've been bullish all day through here. We had to pull back to take out these equal lows here. Probably even these, yeah. So these lows here, we had to pull back. God damn, that's a really bad line. These lows here, we had to pull back. We took that liquidity, then we did another higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, internal higher high, internal higher low, and we've tagged this invalid zone on the 4-hour, which is a weekly high. So for us to come down, we need to take that high out to come down on the higher time frame perspective, yeah? Are you seeing that? I'm just going to go through with you step by step why I was looking for longs today. You see the invalid zone, don't you? Hey, I'm teaching you right now. Hey, that's cute. Hello, David. I'm talking to you.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yes, good. Forgot to click earlier. Now, did you hear what I said? Because I was talking to you. Yes, okay, good. So obviously because we've got this higher high here, go on the lower time frame now. M15 is fine. Yesterday we tagged it. We built all this liquidity. New York home, took that low, absolutely flew up there. I couldn't get an entry anywhere. Literally, I couldn't get a clean entry. I was looking for that as well. I couldn't get a clean entry in New York. So we've tagged this zone once. We've tagged this zone twice. We've tagged this zone 3 times. Once again, building liquidity here, sweeping it. We're not already breaking any lows, are we? We're just kind of like flying through these zones as liquidity pools. That's going to be an invalid zone on the top of Asia as well. So I'm just going to mark that out right now as an invalid zone on the top of Asia. There you go. We got a support level here. So if we induced London low to take us higher for New York session, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relatively equal lows. I want price to come down, take this level out, and then go higher again to make the next higher high on the M15 time frame. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I want to come down, make a new higher low around here, and then go make a higher high. That's just following basic structure. But obviously we need this 4-hour invalid zone to help give us direction, because you don't know where to buy from or where to sell from. That's why I'm looking for buys today. Shorts were the wrong move. And now you've had build up, sweep. Look here. Now we've, even on lower time frame, we've got build up, sweep, coming in here, so you might even get an Asia low bounce, but I would prefer price come down, cleanly take out this level and then go. But we know that price doesn't give us clean moves, which is why I have a really low trade frequency, because I don't really see those clean moves that often. But I'm sure you understand the point I'm trying to make anyway, or like the concept. So yeah, I want longs. This is going to be my M5 invalid Frankfurt high level zone. Did that make sense, David? You dot. Yeah, go. There's a likelihood you might hit that today.
At 2:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French consumer confidence forecast 90 prior. 90.
I think we're going to keep going high unless you start to see a clean breaker structure to go down. So I need something clean. I don't like how it's so compressed. CHF, it's quite disgusting. Price action, don't like that at all. I'm still very mindful of the yen as well, in case it does a backflip and knocks us all out into space. Let's look at GJ really quickly. We are building a channel from around here. So I do see a channel going on here. I got a feeling there might be another yen short coming. And then even on UJ as well, it looks kind of clean at the same time. Look at that. On UJ.
China Commerce Ministry on UK PM visit says the UK Prime Minister will lead a delegation of more than 50 company and institution reps.
I feel like we're gonna have to drop down. UJ's just taken out the highs here. I think if we can start to get structure to the bearish side, I'll be willing to go down to at least Asia midline. If not, hold through all of this here, which is what I was kind of hoping for yesterday as well, but I just couldn't catch a clean entry. So I'm thinking today might be a better chance, in all honesty, for a clean move down. Oh yeah, I forgot to like the post on X. There you go. I was in gold silver longs overnight as well, but I got tagged that break even on some of my accounts, but I made like 1%.
Coordination with the UK.
But it should have been like 10%, but it wasn't. But that's okay. It's hard to trade overnight, man. Like, I don't know how traders can do it. I have to like wake up and look on my phone. I can't just sit there.
At 2:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French consumer confidence forecast 90, prior 90.
Okay, anyway, so let's set an alert on the bottom of this. So 94. We'll do it on 90. We'll set an alert at 90. And then we set an alert on, let's go on M1. Set an alert at 59, 58, 57, 56 is where that is. We'll do 57. So we got an alert on either side of euro. So we're not missing anything. Because you guys know it's easy to miss something. So that's got the setup laying there ready, nice and clean. Let's start setting alerts everywhere. It looks to me like longs are still the way to go. Either from here or from Frankfurt low, longs are still the way to go. The price action is very readable today, man. I need to see clean breaks to the low side, but the volume's not there. The volume is not on the side of the lows, it's on the side of the longs right now, from Frankfurt anyway. So I need to keep an eye out and to see where could we get potential reversals forming. Okay, so that's kind of done deal there anyway. Here's invalid zone. We didn't break structure until there, so that invalid zone is still valid for the invalid. Invalid for the invalid, ahi. Okay, so yeah, that can still work. We got alert set there. I'm gonna set an alert on the high, so 25 will do 27, 28, and then we go down to UJ. We've got on M2. Obviously, we are in this channel. We did see price come up, take that high there, and we go on the so price come.
1 minute remaining.
Price come, took out these lows, moved higher. Price come, took out these lows here, moved higher, leaving an invalid zone right here. You can see price tagged into it, gave a break structure, which is false because what it did come is it come down, took out these lows, and well, these lows here to be fair, or cleaner, then moved up from there. Then we got a little channel going on here. We got that there. I think that's gonna be an invalid zone. I don't know, because I would prefer to be short if the yen says something, but they could quite easily keep going higher. So on this, I need to go to M1 and look for more clean structure.
90 as expected.
If we get 2 legs, then I'm willing to think about it. I'm gonna set an alert say 600. Yeah, set an alert at 600 in the hopes that that zone's gonna hold, and then we're gonna drop all the way down through this channel bar. I don't know if you will. Oh wait, we had CHF. Okay, it's moving good. It's tagged in valid zone. Damn it, don't trade now. Damn it. I'm going back to UJ on here just to keep an eye on this and see what this is gonna do. I'm going to and then gbpjpy is taking out its own high here. Which to me looks like a nice way to go short, because we've got a lot right here we could attack. A lot. So got a massive build up here. Well, this whole section's a build up, man. this entire section here is a massive build up. Look at that, a huge build up to that entire section, which is interesting. And so there's nothing showing here. Build up, broke structure, build up, got a seat here, broke structure up there, invalid zone right at Asia high. Price to the build up here, expansion outwards, Frankfurt pushing it higher. They've got this whole channel here as well. I think I need to get ready for shorts. Let me get ready for the shorts, because I think they're gonna happen. I'll split risk and take on both UJ and GJ just in case, but let's just be careful and not get carried away. Okay, so I need UJ to now start rejecting and push to the downside if it's gonna hold from that level. So come on, give me something nice and clean.
Time we get Spanish unemployment rate forecast 10.25%, prior 10.45%.
I'm hoping I'm right on this. This is why I'm waiting for confirmation, but this might want to reject off the trend line. Let's see what it does at the trend line. If it rejects or if it holds. Because if I'm looking at this, yeah, we do have channels, but we're not doing deep enough pullbacks where I'd be able to say it's a pullback to do a continuation to the high side. So I'm not confident in saying that as of yet. Yo, Mwangi, welcome, bro.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Markets look okay so far today, bro. I want to go short UJ and GJ. It looks like it's going to give a clean short because we've got a massive channel on M15 for UJ, for GJ, same for UJ. We've just taken out Asia highs and stuff like that. Although price action is showing us that we are kind of bullish, I'm waiting for a clean reversal pattern to target all the way down through this channel. I might be early in this trade, so I'm just trying to I'm trying to, you know, do my usual two-leg protocol, basically make sure it holds the zone to give me confirmation for a short, innit? And we're in the invalid zone on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame on GUEU, which means I have to take buys. I should not be selling in the invalid zone. I should be buying through the invalid zone on the higher time frame anyway. So yeah, GU, I haven't even looked at GU yet. don't expect price to come all the way down here, in all honesty, from GU, because it's a 12% difference from EU and GU. Okay, let's took that zone out. So could we get London open short? Possibility you could get London open short. But I need to see clear reverse. I want to be in shorts, bro, because I just don't want to get caught out by the yen. That's all the way up here, bro. 540. That's 85 pips away. That's 85 pips away. That's gonna be in like New York session or something, or like after the moves already occurred. If you want to sell from there, I might as well take a buy up to there if you catch what I'm thinking. I'll just wait for the Asia high move to occur. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. What's CHF doing? CHF is being an idiot because right in this level here, I don't like it at all. Now the market seems a bit more cleaner today. Like the price action, it just seems a bit more accurate. I don't know. Sorry.
At 3 a.m. Eastern Time, get Spanish unemployment rate forecast.
My bad, Mangi.
5% prior 10.45%.
Oh, my brain. I feel like I sneezed my brain out of my skull. Oh, yo. Oh, wait. Oh, yo. Okay, there we go. Euro is dropping down. Beautiful. Damn it. Need to have a look at any other structural zones. We just got this is low right here, the only of the low. What are you looking anyway? Or what do you see even other than GJ? Gold sells, okay. I'll have a look at them in a minute. I was in gold longs overnight, and I got tagged out, but I was up like 15%. I think it's like 12 or 13% I was up on my personal account. Bear in mind I was risking 4, not 4, I was risking 10% I think, because I had 5 trades open on 0.01 lot, 3 on silver, 2 on gold, and then and as it was, because yesterday is dropping really hard in the evening, I just kept buying every like massive gap. I kept buying because I knew it was gonna go back up. So I ended up getting tagged at break even during like Asia session because I was asleep, but I still made like 2%, I think, or something. I don't know. And now price is at the levels that I wanted it to be, which is annoying. Very annoying, but also quite funny. Okay, so we had volume come in for shorts, tagged an invalid zone. If we break the zone, come back into retracement. What's Wonderbar mean again? I forgot. I know we just spoke about it a couple of days ago, but I'm a stupid, you know. I bloody forget. Get for me. Wonderful, yeah. Well, we have the soundboard now, don't we? Look, this one.
Wow! Beautiful!
So yeah. Okay, London open in 2 minutes. Already seen price make a move to take the lows to push the move higher. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this. Oh, hello. Hello, brother. You are my best friend. Best of friend. Mangi, do you watch anime? Best of friend. I love how this is turning into an Asia low bounce on London open in 2 minutes. How's that, bro? How's that? Okay. I mean, that's not really enough for me. I need like a... Yeah, that's more
remaining.
clean, but yeah, anime, I suppose, yeah. Did you see in the Discord that Francis found that trading anime? I had to look at the trailer for it. It's quite good, you know. It's quite good. Okay, so we come down to this low out. Okay, so we come and we top this low a minute before London open. That could be the low that's been taken. I would prefer it come down, take this low. It'd be cleaner, but we don't always get clean price action, do we? So it's fine. So where's CHF sitting? Where are you, CHF? So technically this is gonna be Frankfurt high. Yeah, the trading anime. There's something about a girl who trades the FX market and she over leverages and blows all of her money and puts her mum in debt or something like that, and then it's an anime. Bro, it looks good, you know. It looks really good. I have to find it for you. It's called FX Flip. FX Senshi Kurumi-chan. This one right here. Wait. Where is the... Here. Wait, some of the pictures are a bit... For your... when you type in anime pictures, oh my god, you got some hentai-ness going on here. FX Senshi Kurumi-chan. Let me just put that in the chat. There. And if you just Google it, you'll see it. It looks all right, you know. It looks all right, bro. Okay, so London opens, taking the low.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J.
Now I'm confused. Is London open gonna sell from the supply zone, or is it gonna sweep that and then go higher? I don't know.
67%.
Isn't
that one big, huge, brilliant deal?
I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure. I'm a bit confused here. As to UJ's and GJ's direction, because it could tag that supply zone and short, but I just don't know if that's going to be classed as a break or classed as a sweep on the London Open. I'm a bit confused here. I don't know what to do here. So let's tag that supply zone on GU. UJ's gone up. Come on, what are you gonna do, man? Have you watched the trailer for it? Watch the trailer, tell me what you think. I think it looks alright. I just want to see her like set limits and move stop loss and like lot size and stuff like that. It'd be hilarious, bro. I really want to see that, like, so bad. Bro, it's so annoying. Got a silver. Bro, I bought silver at 105.5, 108.2. Gold I bought at 5,007 and 5,039. So yeah, quite annoying. And then because it was Asia, like I was half asleep, so yeah, couldn't really. Okay. Well, look at this. Suspecting this little demand zone here is just created on the internal side of things. Just a teeny little one. If we can, yeah, it looks alright. I think it's not going to be amazing because I don't know how much they know about trading, but it's cool because we trade in it. So it's kind of like, yeah, it's kind of like something that we can watch, but I don't know if it's going to be that good. It'd be great if they really like proper, you know, did it really good, but I don't know if they're going to be able to in it. If they've got like a proper trader on there to tell him like, oh, this is this is that, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. It'd be cool if they did though, like, it'd be really cool. Okay, so it was a short. It was a short from there. Oh. It'd just be within my limit as well, slightly on the bigger side in all honesty. But it broke structure and tagged within 1 minute, so I couldn't have taken that entry anyway because it's too fast, isn't it? It's too fast paced. So I couldn't really have taken that entry that quick. Not across all my accounts, no chance. Probably just on the ones linked to this copy here, but that's about it. Wait a second. No. Oh, how big is the SL on? Ooh. Oh my god. The SL is huge. I can't take it off of UJ, it's too big. Could I use a 30-second chart? Maybe could use a 30-second chart. Might be able to use a 30-second chart for an entry on UJ. Might be able to. Oh no. No. Might be able to get in on a 30-second chart here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go short UJ. On the M1, what's the price? 675. 1 second. $675. Ah, it's coming quick. It's coming quick. Ah, you idiot. It's already tagged it. Damn it. That's annoying. I only just opened the iPad as well. I didn't even get a chance to the tab. I didn't even get a chance to freaking open TradingView. The MetaTrader, sorry. That's all. We didn't tag anything yet here. I mean, that's very much the same zone, isn't it? To be honest. I need a clean break, man. This might can take out these lows. For your. Is there any other animes that you watch, Mwangi? Sometimes it's good, innit? I suppose. I was looking at that thinking, do I manually execute on here? And I was thinking, no, I'm gonna follow my trading plan, which is limits only. And then I was like, you know what? It's good I didn't, you know. Market execute. Thank God. Thank God. I'm gonna keep waiting for shorts though. Okay, so now we've taken that. Get rid of one of them. So on GJ you would have got break even, but once again it's a 1 minute entry and stuff anyway. You would have got break even here, would have just tagged it right there. Coming up to a trend line again. Are we gonna tag it and reject or what? What we gonna do? Patience is key now. Yeah, of course. Patience is always key, innit? But I was asking, do you watch any other anime? Free Run was good. I think he told us about that. One Fifth. That's an okay anime. I enjoyed that. They just released season 2. Oh, Fire Force as well just got released. I don't know if you watch Fire Force or not. 13.9. 18. Also, I don't know if you've looked at this. Do you ever analyze the DXY, Mangi? Because if you do, this might be interesting for you. The monthly chart. And then drop down to the weekly, and we're just seeing something interesting here. And then drop down to the daily. I'm very interested in this. I want to see like a rejection. What's so? Oh, is that it, bro? There's loads of really good ones. So leveling is wicked. Don't get me wrong. Like, that's really good. But there's loads of other cool ones, bro. Okay, so now we've taken out Frankfurt and London. So we're taking out these equal zones right here. So let me, brother, let me. I still think shorts are the way to go. Asia high fake out, offer trend line. We got all the channel below it. Attack on Titan was good, but I got bored after the last season. I felt like it was a bit dull. I felt like the last season they really didn't they gave up a lot. It was really good prior, but then after that it was just so bad. It was so bad. Look at CHF. So CHF has tagged the invalid zone. It induced this low on the London Open, gave one leg high, second leg high, and the entry would have, oh no, but the volume looks really high. To be honest, it's hard on CHF because the spread is so bad sometimes that you'd have to do like 3.5. And then yes, you broke structure here, but I don't like that just because you've had 1-2 candles. It's very choppy, so I don't like CHF because it's very choppy right now. I'm gonna keep waiting for a bit more cleaner price action on that. Have you ever watched stuff like Dragon Ball Z or Naruto or Bleach or Full Metal Alchemist, Tokyo Ghoul? Toriko is one of my favorites. So such an underrated anime. Toriko is so good. What else was there? No, bro, you need to watch it, man. I'll tell you, like, I'll type in the chat, yeah, my like top few anime. Demon Slayer at the moment probably my ranked top 1 anime I've ever watched. Bear in mind I've been watching anime for like 25 years, yeah. So Demon Slayer is probably like number 1. It's absolutely amazing. Then you've got obviously the usual like big hitters: Bleach, Naruto, Tokyo Ghoul. What else was there? Oh, I love Toriko. People didn't like it, but I really liked it. These are all like solo leveling, like, you know, fighting based stuff. One second. Hey, we've taken the highs. Interesting. One second. There's no structural highs or lows there or anything actually, so yeah, nothing important there. What else was I gonna say? There's a few more big hitters as well, man. So tag the invalid zone is slightly moving higher. I need to keep an eye on UJ. What else was there? What else was there? Oh yeah, oh my god, Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Ball Super, which is a new one. Because they done new Dragon Balls, used to call it Dragon Ball Super. That's really good. Oh, they're like car racing ones. Initial D is based on a real race car driver. MF Ghost is the brand new one that they've made on the remake of Initial D. That's if you like cars and racing and stuff like that. Oh, Hajime no Ippo. Hajime no Ippo. That's good. That's a boxing one. Bro, Demon Slayer is 10-10, bro. I'm telling you. Demon Slayer, Dragon Ball Super, probably the two like best in terms of animation, like, bro. The animation's amazing. Like freaking outdoes Marvel for like some of their animation. Oh my god, absolutely fantastic. Animation wise. Right, so we've break structure on there. We've got a demand zone sat right here. So we got our first leg here. I just need leg number 2, please. So leg 1. Trust me, Demon Slayer was absolutely wow. They've turned the last few episodes into movies because they're so popular. They said that we're going to turn the last few episodes into series of movies. Oh my god, the animation is... I just can't explain. I've never seen an anime with such good animation. I sat there like, wow. This is like amazing. Yeah, now if you break structure again and gives a clean second leg, then we're gonna hit some longs. Yeah, pull back into the demand zone. Pull back. Yeah. More. Tag that zone, you idiot, and then give me the move. But Hajime no Ippo is like a boxing anime. It's really good, like a boxing one, and it's like a classic. Like it's so good, bro. And you know the Dempsey roll that Tyson used to do. Mike Tyson used to do that massive Dempsey roll and start swinging like a madman. The main character is based on him. Like the technique of Tyson's fighting style is based on the guy, and it's really good, to be fair. Kuroko no Basket. Oh my god, another sick anime. Basketball anime with superpowers. Amazing. I'm ducking out right now so bad. I'm sorry, Mongi. I'm turning into a big nerd right now. all these animes are like my favorite ones. Like out of all the ones I've watched in like 25 years, bro, I think these are all the ones that I think are really good. There's a few old ones as well, you know, but I don't know if you like old anime or not. Yeah, I thought so. Not many people like the old stuff. So it's okay, like, it's not amazing, but like, some of the stuff is classic, innit? But yeah. What's that stuff, you'll be alright. So where were you looking at going short on gold anyway? Because you're talking about gold shorts, weren't you, earlier on? Where were you thinking about shorting gold from? Where's the all-time high? Okay, 11. 5,111 is the all-time high. So we got 111 pips left to go. 1,000 in it. 280 pips to go. 270 pips to go. Yeah. You're telling me that pound might drop this zone. I'm not sure. The next low is here. This is the next low. So if we want GU to hold, we would realistically need to see Euro drop, take these lows and start giving potential reversal patterns. Let's see what's gonna happen though, innit? If we're gonna see that or not. Those who did want to take that high, build up a channel, take these highs, build up here, sweep, short down. I mean, there's no entry for shorts anyway. There's no entry anyway, like, couldn't see anything at all. But yeah, tell me where you were looking to short gold from. What's silver doing? I like the idea of buying silver around 111. 111 basically. Yeah, 111. And silver looks like a nice little zone to buy silver. And then target back up to the highs again, which is 6%. And silver can do that, no problem. But if I'm gonna buy silver again to swing it, I'm gonna try and swing it from the midline of gold and silver and try and hold it overnight again, and not go break even so fast. Do you still go to Miko streams or not? Because I've not seen them in a while. I know he did one like a few days ago or a week ago, but I've not been to his streams in a while, to be fair. I just popped in and said hello. That was it. 107,950. Is that what you're looking to? Wait, for gold? One second. So gold. Oh, same rate. Okay, yeah. One XAG. Oh, okay. 107,950. Yeah, just above the midline. That's a fair zone, because if you look here, That's also matches up with this right here. Let me just, yeah, it matches up with this right here. So I want to kind of go long around there on my personal account and then just swing it. I want to hold it through FMC and swing it. So that's a good zone. That's a clean zone. I think Divot has left to go work. Otherwise, he would have come back. And I think he leaves now-ish to go to work. The thing is with gold and silver, you can have two attempts. You can go long at the Asia high, or you can go long in the midline with gold and silver. Like the Asia high and midline, they both work really well. I think so too. On what? On what? What do you also think? Oh yeah, I think he's gonna work. I think he does go work around now. You know, the only thing I'm struggling with yet with the lower time frame when I like try and like buy gold and hold it, I want to like, you know, because my intraday strategy, it's like fast break even, then like it doesn't matter anymore. I can't do that with gold or silver because it does aggressive pullbacks and then it just continues on again. So it's hard for me to swing it on like overnight on my personal account because I keep waking up and I'm like, I need to look at the account. You know what I'm saying? So that's the only thing I'm trying, like, kind of struggling with at the moment. Because 2-3 times I've done it, I have made money, but I rolled stop loss so tight where it's tagged the stop loss and it's kept flying all the way up and I've lost out like loads of percent gain. If that makes sense. Let me have a look at the percent gain on that account actually. Let's look at the percent gain on that account. Trump's also put tariffs on Korea. I don't know if you guys are following that or not, but you put tariffs on Korea there, which is also causing problems. And that might also push gold higher, which is good, I suppose, if you're longing gold. Yeah, my average win's about £11, which is about 400 pips on gold and silver. So I'm up 6.4% on the personal account on a 4% risk. Not that good, to be fair. Kim Jong-un, Korea, I think. No, is it the other Korea? Wait, let me have a look. 1 second. It was last night. South Korea. South Korea, yeah, South Korea. They put tariffs on them, so that obviously wasn't good. Okay, that's interesting. We've broke on the zone for. Will it make a difference? It's just reigniting the tariff wars, isn't it? It's just reigniting all these issues. Korea isn't really. If it was North, if he tries to put tariffs on North, mate, Kim Jong-un is gonna spit in his butthole, and then he's gonna go straight. Press the red button. I don't have anything for that. But yeah, Kim Jong-un's gonna spit in his butthole and fist through. He's gonna make Trump into a hand puppet. Oh dear. Nothing for GJ as of yet. UJ, sorry. Or GJ, we tagged the invalid zone, broke structure there, come back into demand zone, broke structure again. Looks like it wants to go bullish. Don't like the look of that. Obviously, it has kind of been feeding bullish throughout some of the price action in Asia, but I was really hoping for a reversal now, but looks like it's not going to give it. That's fine. EU's finally coming to take these lows gradually. Pound is not really got any lows here to be taken. I'm just going to check the Quant Tech or Discord because I keep it very close on the eye on them recently with all these issues they've been having. So just give me 1 second to have a look at their Discord. Because I checked it in the morning. I just want to have a look now. Keeping a close eye on these assholes. Let's just tap back into the bloody invalid zone again. Which makes me think it's going to fail. Have they approved more payouts? Nope. And loads of traders reporting issues, man. Loads of traders. But it's weird because some are getting paid, so I don't know. It's just a bunch of suspicious stuff right now from them. Just a whole bunch of shady shit. I'll have a look at gold. Yeah, with QT, yeah. Let's see if I can find a trade on gold on M1, man. I've not traded gold in so long on M1. And then we've had a break and retest and rejection of Asia high as well. I'd want price to come down to Asia midline for me to look for longs. So I might need to look for shorts from the intraday perspective, and this is a really good sign that shorts are going to keep happening on gold. And you did say shorts on gold as well, so I think you were right actually, you know. You did say shorts on gold, didn't you? I think. Yeah. I think you're right. Because you got a little channel going on here. Want to see price come up here? Give a shot for a reversal and go down. I can trade gold on M1 as well, but the issue is it's so volatile, yeah, that you just, it's hard for me to gauge my SL size. And it's really good at wicking you out on M1 during very volatile days. Like these days they're doing like 1,000, 2,000 pips or whatever just in Asia session. It's too risky to trade on M1 like that. You're better off staying on probably M5 to be fair. There's no clean entry for longs anywhere. Not well, when I started the stream, there's no entry for longs because I trade from demand zones. I suppose you broke structure there, didn't really tag that zone there. Could I have been better on that? .2 pips, quite big. No, would have got missed on there. Doesn't matter. And then didn't break structure here, broke structure here. I don't know if I want to be buying when we're all the 4.1% when I'm actually looking for shorts. So yeah, I don't. I leave that. I let price come take this high and then short down from this high. I'm going M15 time. Yeah, that's still okay. Still within the channel. That's still fine. Yeah, that works. Yeah, shorts are still going down. I need to stop making videos. Like I want to make videos on like how to pick a good prop firm, how to develop a good strategy, how to have a good trading plan, how to have good risk management. I want to start making videos on those, but I want like really professional videos, man, and I just don't really have the capability for that right now. Because where I work, it's too small to be used as like a professional office or something. Suppose I could, but the issue is, yeah, between me and the background, there's not much room. So it's like the camera's really close and it's kind of annoying because I don't have enough room, if that makes sense. And I can't put the camera this way because they got a window right there. So it's gonna like, the light exposure is gonna not be good and stuff like that. Because I was gonna use my phone for the camera because my phone's got 108 megapixel camera. And I bought it for video production and stuff like that anyway, for when I had my racing YouTube channel, racing cars and stuff like that. So I wanted it for that, but I just I need a bigger room basically. I just need more space. I don't know how to do that. I'm not really much of an editor, bro. But you know what, actually? Doesn't this just look like a channel being created as well? Yup. I'd love it if we take the high, then melt through this channel. That would be brilliant. Edit it out. I don't know. I suppose I could use ChatGPT and figure out how the heck to do it. ChatGPT? AI. Wait.
You use AI? Absolutely. You use ChatGPT? You know ChatGPT? I love ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is fantastic.
Oh, I did find some AI softwares that do editing, but I don't know how good they are. Oh, hi, bye. Hi, bye. So the only place that was a trade was Euro shorts. And I was not looking to short Euro, I was looking to go long Euro. So maybe Divot was right looking for shorts initially. Maybe Divot was right on the shorts. Although there's no clean entry for him anywhere. So yeah. Nah, can't see anything clean. Nah, there's nothing clean, man. Let's have a look at the VIX. VIX is at 16, is down 0.1% basically. US 30 is up 0.2, Nasdaq 0.4, S&P 500 0.3. Oil, let's have a look at oil, because we were talking about oil before, weren't we? Yeah, it's holding. I think oil's got some room to the upside, you know. Yeah, look, oil's got some room to the upside, bro. And it literally tagged off your entry right there. The oil trade, and it's not looking bad so far. I think if you break this structure, then it'd be a bit more, you know, better of a confirmation. Right, let's go back to DXY now then, because I just thought, you know what, let's have a quick look in it, because we didn't really have a look at oil in a while. Karibu
South Korea's greenhouse has
vibe.
have received a letter from the US asking not to discriminate against US companies on digital matters. The US letter is not directly related to Trump's announcement on tariffs.
What's CHF doing? CHF is still consolidating in this invalid zone. Now got to determine if price takes out this invalid zone and this low here. Is it going to be long up to these highs, or is it going to be a continuation of a short? I've got no bloody idea. I've got no clue whatsoever. Fundamentally, longs make sense. Sentiment wise, I know CHF is going to be stronger because there's a lot of international concerns, but I suppose Trump did say he's not going to tariff the whole world. So I suppose that's probably why we are seeing
You're behind the markets.
GC
You're
pushing
a
up
real
a bit.
day trader.
Maybe I
Go
suppose it
real
makes
time at
sense.
financialjuice.com/.
Because here's where he was talking BS.
Save 67%
And then I think
on
yesterday or the day before he's
Let's
like, oh,
make a
actually I'm
big,
not gonna put
beautiful
tariffs on.
deal, people. Come on.
So yeah, suppose that it could just keep going bullish. Maybe I'm not 100% sure on that one. I'm not sure. I think it's gonna be long, you know. I feel like it's gonna be long. I'm gonna take a stab at longs and say this is gonna be an invalid zone. Yeah. I think that's where it's gonna have to go. So, Vi, how you doing? Ah. You know, one thing I learned about this funded chat, Mangi, so many people get rejected, yeah, their payout for the stupidest reasons, like they literally haven't followed the rules, trading news, not setting an SL, too many lots, too much risk exposure, and then when they get rejected, they throw a massive tantrum. Like, I'm really shocked how many people don't know how to trade. Like, wow. Have you been sorted with QT? So I've got the risk interview scheduled on the 11th. I think it's the 11th at 4 p.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to find out what they say. Everyone that I'm with, obviously I'm only funded with 2 people. They've been the most awkward. A risk interview. You know, Sahad, Pip analyst, he had one. And he said they just ask you about your strategy and your risk management and stuff like that. And he said it gives you the vibe where they kind of like checking to see if you actually trade, if you follow signals. That's kind of it. And if you're like a risk or if you're okay. Yeah. But what I don't understand is that I already had my first payout, so why not do it on the first payout instead of doing it on the second or the third or the fourth or the fifth? It doesn't make sense. And why delay it for 2-3 weeks? And after you've had the interview, then it takes 1, 2, 3 days for them to approve the payout. And then when they approve it and then they send it, it's almost a month process for you to get that payout, which is diabolical. So it's just a whole bunch of heebie-jeebie bullshit. A lot of rules. A lot of rules indeed. But the issue is, yeah, they keep changing the rules on all the different types of accounts. So if you got multiple different accounts at multiple different times, it's hard for you to follow all of the rules because they're always changing them for you to then get caught out on your payout. It's a bit, I understand that they make money from failing traders, but it's a bit disgusting to do that. You know what I mean? Like, it's a bit of a dirty tactic. And then changing the name of the accounts, changing the rule of the accounts, then changing the like, they're just constantly flip-flopping around with the rules. I've known them for so long, bro. I've been following QT before they were even QT. They used to be called Ascendex, yeah. So when I first started, and at the start they were really good. They were throwing compensation at people, bro. They were fixing stuff ASAP. Now they're a bit like, oh, we're quant technical. If you don't like it, go somewhere else. We're really good. You need to slow down a bit, bro. You're not as good as what you think you are. You're getting a little bit arrogant now. So there's a bit of that going on with those guys. And it's funny because the owner, when I first spoke to him, like way back when, he was really lovely. Now he's just becoming a bit more difficult. And I don't get it. Like, now he's a millionaire. Before he wasn't a millionaire. Now he's a millionaire. So why isn't he just chilling out? Dude's got money, relax. Okay, right. So I think we're gonna go long now. I think we're gonna go long in GBPCHF. They got rid of the inactivity rule as well. They've done it on purpose. So they've got rid of the inactivity rule to delay payouts and say, look, at least your account's not done for inactivity. That's sneaky. It's like they're trying to say, because we've gave you inactivity, why don't you just wait for the payout? Possibly, I don't know. I'm suspicious of a lot of their actions at the moment. Very much suspicious. Markets aren't really moving much at the moment. I was hoping we get some clean moves because you don't have news in the way, but it's not looking like it's gonna do that, unfortunately. Nah, I'm not going with them again. Nah, it's not worth the risk. And don't forget, they've got you got to make 0.5% twice in 14-day cycle, and on the first payout on the account you have to do 4 minimum trading days of similar lot size, regardless of if it's wins or losses. So for my strategy, it's really difficult to work with them. If you have a strategy with a high win rate and a high frequency, but your risk reward is small, but small enough where you're actually making 0.5%, then it's okay for you to go with them, because that rule doesn't affect you. So this is what I was telling you, Mwangi, about picking the right sort of rule or the right sort of prop firm for your trading strategy. Next is amazing. They just automatically renew the payout cycle if you haven't met the target. You can take one trade, wait for your cycle, and request your payout. That's it. I love that. I love that. It's just flexible. There's no rules. It's just make your money and go. They have like FTMO is similar as well. FTMO, Accor funded, FTMO, FXify, funded next. They're all the same. Very flexible. All the other prop firms, ACG, Quant, Techall, Think Capital, I don't know about funding pips because they don't allow trade copier, so I don't use them. I only use prop firms that allow trade copier, so I can just stick around the copier and carry on doing my job. So yeah, Quanteco's got the more difficult rules for sure, because FTMO doesn't have these restrictions, neither do any of these other prop firms. And for you to go to a prop firm that has these restrictions, there has to be something beneficial for it. They are cheaper because they have 50% discount, don't get me wrong, yeah, but for you to have this issue every single time, they're not the fastest with payouts. They take 2-3 days to process payouts. Funded next is guaranteed within 3 hours or whatever. I would funded next payouts within 1 hour. So for me, I would pay more money, bro, to have funded next flexibility and fast, rapid payouts for the one payment of the cost of the evaluation for the rest of my payouts. You see what I'm trying to say? Versus, oh, it's a 50% discount, but every payout is going to be delayed. You're going to have problems. You're going to have more rules to come across. It's not worth it. I'd rather spend more money on the prop firm challenge and then have an easier payout cycle, easier rules, more flexibility. It just makes sense as a trader. Why would you not do that? This 4% payout, I should have had it 2-3 months ago. I had to keep trying to meet that 0.5% rule, which is hard because I picked the absolute best setups, and my best setups don't occur every day. I get swerved a lot, all that stuff in it. So for me, it's a bit annoying. That's where you have to pick like how your strategy works and stuff like that, and where you're able to make money. They also have rules like layering rules and SL rules, risk exposure rules, all sorts of stuff, man. Quantecol does. Yeah, that's what I said to you, because I don't really know your strategy, so that's what I was gonna say. When you pick a prop firm, we'll go through your strategy, and then I'll tell you what I think's best, because I'm with like 6-7 different firms in it, so I know like the flexibility of all of them and stuff like that. Because picking a firm isn't as simple as go for the cheapest one. It doesn't work like that, you know? Price is really flat today. Really, really flat. I think it might need to wait for New York, mind you. It's looking a bit crappy right now. Yeah, it was okay like London Open, like the first, 20-30 minutes of it, but now it's a bit dull. Might as well prep for tomorrow and stuff as well, I suppose, whilst I'm at it. I'll have a look at gold and silver in a second as well, actually, because I do want to see like what they're doing. I think we might get a move here for New York, so I'll pop that in there. Get rid of the shit. Get rid of those two. That can no, I want that. I want that to come over to 4 o'clock. This, I don't know what to do with that, in all honesty. Let's copy paste it as well for Asia high over here. You can see how that goes on for New York session later on today. I'll have a look at gold and silver in a second as well, because I'm curious to see where they are in their price action. This is really bad. So we got that there. Then we've got midline here. And then what else have we got? I think that we're not gonna do a 200 pip move unless we get more news from the yen. But we'll have to see in it. So just being cautious right now. But then have we done EEG? No, we haven't, have we? No. We do EEG and then we have a look at gold and silver. How far have we got left? Okay, not that far. I'm gonna go over to 8:30 on Wednesday because this might be a FOMC move. So we'll bring that all the way over there. And then for this, how far are we from here? 30 pips. The volume's quite low. I'll keep it there. For us to come down here, yeah, it's gonna probably be during FOMC. And then let's get rid of that. That's too far away. Keep the charts clean. And then euro. Let's get rid of the alert. Don't really need that no more. Get rid of that. Don't need that, way too far away. Wednesday. Wait, is it Wednesday or Thursday? It's Wednesday, isn't it? Yeah, it is Wednesday. Yeah. I was thinking Thursday for some reason. Go back up. Yeah. So there we go. That can stay at 4 o'clock. This can, I don't know, we're how many pips away? 30. I'm gonna keep that there because that could still possibly do something, but I'm not sure how much it will do. And then we've got that there. So yeah, that's pretty much done now. And then if we go on to M5, clean up the charts on the lower time frame, which there's no crap on the charts. Yeah, no entries again, nothing again. Typical, absolutely typical. So yeah, that's done. Get rid of this as well, and these. Yeah, my fat fingers. I don't like this price action. I'm not gonna trade it, bro. It's too chippy and choppy and stuff like that. It's just not worth exposing myself for a crappy trade. There's no benefit to come from there. So let's look at gold and silver. We go down to M5 for that. So it's kind of consolidating on both of them. Nothing interesting there. I did kind of tag this demand zone here, like probably an M15 zone. Yeah, tag the M15 zone there. That's about it. Yeah, peace out, but I'm gonna cut the stream soon anyway. There's not much to do right now. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Hey, alright guys, I'm gonna cut the stream here because there's really not much going on in the markets today. I'll see you guys later. Hit like, all that cool stuff. Peace out. Bye.